Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Your cell phone fell into the water. Don't worry, I'll show you how we remove all the water from the cell phone, the only method that works for any model. So the first thing you should do is increase the volume of your cell phone to the maximum. After doing this, just wait, because I have prepared a high latency frequency that will clean the speaker. So just wait until the cleaning is done. Let's go. Cleaning. Cleaning is complete. If your cell phone still doesn't show a perfect improvement, repeat the process, because in some cases it may be necessary to repeat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. Until the next video, e-cleaning is done. Let's go.